First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So now let me move on to basic level arrangement number 17. So among 6 persons, K to P, each lives on a different floor of a building. So totally there are 6 floors, 1 to 6. So they are saying that the ground floor is number 1 and the topmost floor is number 6, right? So totally there are only 6 persons. So first point, L lives on an even number floor. So the person L is living on an even number floor. We know that out of this total 6 floor, even number floors are only 3, because second will be one even number, 4 will be one even number, or else 6 will be another even number. So only 3 chances. So what we can do is, we can draw 3 possible diagrams. Either L will be living on second floor, or else L will be living on 4th floor, or else L will be living on 6th floor. Understood? Because they have clearly told that the person L lives on an even number floor. So according to the first possible diagram, L is living on the second even number floor. So similarly in the second possible diagram, L is living on 4th even number floor. So similarly by using third possible diagram, L is living on 6th floor, which is even number floor. Understood? So next point, L lives on a floor immediately below K's floor. Immediately below K's floor where the person L is living. So what we can do is we can fix K here, because immediately below K where the L is living, and in the second possible diagram I can fix K here because immediately below K where L is living. But when we move on to the third possible diagram, there is no chance to place K. So definitely we can say the third possible diagram is completely wrong, because already L is living on the 6th floor. But according to the second point where K below where L is living, so definitely I can't able to fix K in this third possible diagram. So finally we can say that this third possible diagram is completely wrong. So finally we can say first possible diagram immediately below K's floor where L is living. So similarly in second possible diagram immediately below K where L is living. So next point is P lives on a floor immediately above N's floor. So P lives on a floor immediately above N's floor. So let me take it as a clue that immediately above N, the person who is sitting, P is sitting. Okay. So if I fix N here, we can fix P. N here we can, no, let me move on to the next point because we are getting many possibles. So next point is P lives on an even number floor. So now what they are saying is the person P is living on an even number floor. So definitely I can't able to fix P here. So only chance I should fix P here and N here. Understood, friends? Because immediately above N's floor we know that P is living, and also according to the last point what they have said is P lives on an even number floor. So we can't able to fix anywhere else P in this possible diagram 1. So if we move on to the second possible diagram, I can't able to fix P here because P will be lives on even number floor. So definitely I should fix N here and P here. So in both these possible diagram where P lives on an even number floor and also P is living above N's floor. So last point, O lives on floor number 3. Just listen here. The person O is living on the 3rd floor. So according to the first possible diagram, we already know that the person K is living on the 3rd floor. But what the last point said is O should be live on 3rd floor. So definitely this first possible diagram is wrong. So second possible diagram, O is living on a 3rd floor. So definitely I can fix O here. So only one person is remaining, that is M. So I should fix M here. That's it. So this will be the answer for a basic level arrangement number 17. Understood? By using the last line, O lives on floor number 3. It's a direct statement. But according to this first possible diagram, we already fixed K in this 3rd place, that is 3rd apartment. So definitely we can't able to fix O here. So definitely we can say this first possible diagram is wrong. But in second possible diagram, surely I can fix O in the 3rd floor. So we can finally say that second possible diagram is correct.